Good morning, dear students. So, how are you all? Hope you all are fine. So, children, we have studied now 51 to 60 numbers and 6 to 10 spellings. So, children, before that I start, we will repeat 51 to 70 numbers. Then we'll move forward to that new topic, that is what comes before. Okay. So first we will repeat 51 to 70 numbers. So children, take your book and we will repeat this 51 to 70 numbers. Now as you can see in your book, you have written, you have traced it and you have written, you have completed this 51 to 60, then 61 to 70 you all have written. So once more we will revise it. I will write on the blackboard and you will revise. Okay. So first I will write on the board. Now you have to tell 51. You have to repeat it. 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 60. After 60, which number will come? Yes, the number will come 61, 61. Okay, you have to repeat after me. 62, 62, 63, 63, 64, 64, 65, 65. Okay. Now next one is 65 after 66, 67, 68, 69. Now 70, 70. Okay. Once more I will repeat for you. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 60. You have to repeat it. Okay. Repeat after me. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 70. So this much number we have learned. Okay, 51 to 70 number. Okay children, now what we will do? We will do one thing, that is one activity from this number. Okay, activity is what we have to do. I will tell you now. Now some numbers I will erase. Okay, and you have to fill the missing numbers. This is your activity. Okay. So this is your activity. See, activity. Okay, this is your activity numbers 51 to 70. Okay children? Okay, I will erase some numbers, and then you have to do one activity, that is like, I will write now for you. How to do this activity, I will tell you, okay? Now children, you can see here it is written 51, and you can see some boxes I will leave empty, okay? And you have to fill that box with the number which is correct number will come after the number, okay? So 50, after 51 the dash is here, then again 51, 52, 53 dash 50 dash dash okay. Now this activity we will do. So you have to tell the number after the number 51. After 51 which number will come? Yes, 52. Okay. After 52 you have to read it. 51, 52, 53, 54. Okay. Now after 54, 55 is here. 50 after 55, 56. So this is small activity children. You have to learn to do at home. Okay. So you can do in your copy also, or you can do in your rough copy. Okay. Not in your classwork copy. You have to write in your rough copy. So 56. After 56, 57. 58 is here. 59. Now the number is 60. So we will revise 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60. Okay. Now we will move after 60. Which number will come? 70, 61. Sorry, 61. Okay. 61 after 62. After 62, 63 is already here. After 63, 64, 63, 64, 65. Which number will come? 66. Okay. This is 67, 60, 66, 67, 68. And now the last is 69 and 70. Okay. So we have finished this activity. Okay. Now again we will revise this number. After doing this, 51, the dash number next to 51 will 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Okay. So this number we have finished, children. Now we will move to our new topic. New topic, you know, that is what comes before. And the what comes before, it will come only in between 1 to 20 numbers. What comes before, children? It will come between 1 to 20 numbers. Okay? What comes before? It will come between 1 to 20 numbers. Okay? And 1 to 20 numbers all know. 1 to 20 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, once more we will repeat 1 to 20 numbers and you have to tell me the before number. Okay? Before means when we go backward. Okay? When we go backward, we will come to know the before number. Okay? Like I am writing here 10 number. Okay? And I will put the dash before 10 number. So which number will come here? You will come to know. You have done backward counting, so easily you can do. So first we will do the backward. That is what? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I have written from the back here, but I have to write now. I will write 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, like that 11 to 20 also. So when we write 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, then 14, 15, 13, 12, 11. So these are the numbers 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You have to learn before. What comes before, children? So that I am writing these numbers to understand before number. Now children, it is written here 1. When we'll go forward, so we come to know after. So after 1, we are seeing this number. After 1, 2. When we'll from the back we see. So I will rub this number. And now you can see here the place is for dash. Okay, I will rub this number. You can see. And you have to tell the backward number. Okay. Okay, now you can see the place is empty. Okay, now you will understand that the 2 number is written here. Which number will come first here? So this is called before number. Before 2, before 4, before 6, before 8, before 10. Okay, so we have to write the missing numbers. Okay, now I will rub this number. I will do for you. First we will do this, then I will show you the numbers. Okay, flashcards. So first before 2 will come 1. So this is your before number. Okay, what comes before? So number, it is written here. The missing what you are doing, the same like backward missing is called before. Okay, so before is written here, backward is called before. Okay, so before 4, 3 will come. So before 6, 5 will come. Before 8, 7 will come. Before 10, 9 will come. Now you can count and see the serial number is The serial number is there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So this is the number. When we write backward, that is called before. Okay. From the back. You have to remember in your mind that when we count before backward counting, that is called before number. Okay. So in this is the way we will do before. Now children, I will put the flash card and I will show you. Now here the number 2. You can see here 2 easily. This is 2 number. Which number this is? 3. Okay. This is number 7. This is number. This is 9. Okay. Now children, we'll take, this is 12. Okay. This is 14. Now 19. You can see, all can see this. Now I will write here dash for you and you will come to know the number and backward you have to go. Okay, you have to move backward. So this dash I have put. Now you can see the number 2. So which number will come before 2? You have to count it. 1, 2. Okay. So backward you have to count. When you will count backward, you will come to know 2, 1. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. You are counting now, backward counting. Ulti ginti. So you have to count it ulta. Aapko ulti ginti ginni. Then you will come to know before number. So when we will count 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Automatically you will come to know that one number will come. Again you have to count 10, 9, 6, 7, 8, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Now which number will come here? Which number will come? Number 2 will come. Okay. This number will come. Now understood? Okay. Now I will remove this number. I have some other number I will take here. I will take here 8. If there is 8 number, which number will come here? Now before 2, 1. So again we will count 10, 9, 8. Which number will come? 7. So like this you will come to know the before number. Again you have to count it for 7. So 10 you have to count it from backward. 10, 9, 7, 6. Okay. So you will come to know 6, 7. Now here the number is, which number this is? 9. So you have to count backward. 10, 9, automatically will come 8. So this is called before 9, 8 number. Okay. So when we'll do after, so after that I will teach you afterwards. Now before. Now see, you can see 12 number. Before 12 which number will come? You have to count from 20. Okay. So you have to count 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12 and which number will come here? 11. So 11, 12. Okay. So same for 14 also, before 14 will come, you have to count it, and then you have to write the number before 14, which number will come. Okay. So 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, then 13. Okay. Now last is here. 2 numbers are remaining. So before 16, again you have to count it. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. You have to go backward. You have to count backward counting. Now this is 19 number. Okay. So we have to count it. 20, 19. Which number will come here? 18. Okay. So this is good. All have learned before. So children, this is your new topic. What comes before within 1 to 20 numbers. It will come for you. And now children, in the book, it is given here page number. You can see backward counting 1 to 20. I will show you. Here, this is missing numbers. You can see page number it is given. This is 51. You can see here. This the second one. The second part. This is afterwards missing number. This is 1 to 20. This is backward 20 to 1. So this is your what comes before. Okay, what comes before. So you will learn like this. Before you have to count backward counting numbers till 1 to 20. Then you will come to know the before number, which number will come before of the number. Okay. So children, here we have finished this new topic. So at home you have to write in your copy, see my PDF, and you have to complete this. This is I will give you this work, what comes before, in the PDF, and you have to write. You have to all. I know you have completed 51 to 51 to 70 numbers you have completed. So children, very good. And you have to submit the copy also. I have given you message for submit the copy. So up to date, keep your copy up to date, cover it properly, label it properly. Okay, and you have to submit in time. Okay, what is the time we have given you? You have to submit in time. Okay children, so take care, be healthy, stay healthy, and goodbye. God bless you. Bye.